In the report Hendra and Horse Owners, Risk Perception and Management, written by the group of people as seen on the screen, a survey was analysed that had been completed by horse owners in Australia to identify knowledge, risks and management with the outbreak of Hendra. An online survey was done in 2012 with the target states of Queensland and New South Wales. A total of 1,431 surveys were completed. A breakdown of this can be seen in Figure 1. Hendra was first described in Australia in 1994. This highly pathogenic virus has a fatality rate of 80% in equine cases and 60% in human cases. The transmission of this disease is from flying foxes to horses via contact with the flying fox's infected bodily fluids. All Hendra has been in Queensland and New South Wales. This can be seen in Figure 2 by the black dots mapped. As seen in Table 2, only 13% of horse owners rated their knowledge of Hendra as high or very high, with the greater proportion of respondents from Queensland. This suggests that limited success of current communication strategy based on state government and industry provided information via internet, printed material and live forums. It can also be seen in the same table that a quarter of respondents thought it likely that Hendra could occur in their local area, and a large 38% thought it little or not likely at all. 13% of respondents stabled their horses overnight, which is an effective way to reduce the risk of Hendra. It not only removes the horse from the potential contact of night foraging flying foxes, but the risk of infection is less likely during the day, as the viral load is rapidly reduced by temperature and desiccation, suggesting that the window of opportunity of infection is less likely during the day. Smith et al. Found that almost 100% of urine and food debris from the foraging flying foxes fell under the tree canopy, which suggests that moving feed and water points from underneath these areas could reduce the risk of contracting the disease. 3 and 20% respectively had feed bins under the trees. Further results can be seen in Table 2. The main comments of why these risk mitigations would be difficult or impossible was to do with the cost and how impractical it would be to implement these ideas. However, it is the horse owner's responsibility to modify facilities, adapt husbandry practices, and restrict horse movements to help prevent further spread of Hendra. This survey chose to focus the analysis on knowledge uptake, risk perception, and risk mitigation. It was found that horse owners had inconsistent awareness and/or adoption of information, as well as enduring confusion in relation to Hendra risk perception, both over and underestimating the true risk. There was also considerable lag in the uptake of recommended risk minimisation by horse owners. It was also identified that there was a significant frustration and potential alienation of owners who found the recommended strategies not feasible.